Hello friends, welcome you all to Polity Simplified series of Dnyanadeep Academy. Today's focus article is article number 52. Article number 52 is about head of the state. It is about President of India. So what article 52 says? It says in a very simple language that the President of India, that is India, will have a president. There shall be a President of India, that is India will have a president who shall act as a head of the state. This is the only thing that is being given in this particular article. It says that there shall be a President of India. Now, what is the purpose of this particular article? It wants to say that Indian President will be head of the state. When we try to analyze article 52, we come across article 74. Based on the analysis given by Supreme Court and verdicts of Supreme Court, as per article 74, article 75 and 42nd Amendment Act, the advice given by Council of Ministers is binding upon the President of India. That's why, though we have President as head of the state, President in India is just only a nominal head, whereas real head is Prime Minister and its Council of Ministers. But still remember one important thing, article 52 says that there shall be a President of India, and this President of India shall act as a head of the state. This is the simplest article that you might come across. That's all from my side. Thank you.